you are building a business online, then you need to leverage on a website to automate your business for you. But the cost of building one is high. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can build your own website yourself. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, my name is Olulupo Motayo. On this channel, I share videos on how you can make money online. If that's what you are looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new video. So let's continue. On a website, you need to get a domain name and hosting plan first. So I'll be recommending Namecheap. If you don't have Namecheap account, click the link in the description below to register your account. And this is Namecheap. It is a web hosting website which is cheap and reliable. After creating an account with Namecheap, then you log in to get your domain. So let me sign into my account and host. You log in to get your domain and hosting. First, you go to domain to check your domain name if it's available. Let's check Lukmonomotayo. That's my new website. So let's use the domain name. Let it load up. As you can see, lukmonomotayo.com is taking. So if you want to register for one domain name or one name, you check first if it's already taken. So there are other extensions available. You can search for yours, and if it's taken, you can add your country prefix after the name and put .com. So I will add this to cart now. This domain name, let's add this org to cart. After adding, then you go to hosting. You go to the hosting part to get a plan. So let it load up. So you click on shared hosting. So it should be down here. So you click on shared hosting. So let it load up because we are building a website. So this is our we're using shared hosting. As you can see, we have Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business, and one is $1.98, and there's another one $2.98 for. But we are choosing this Stellar because it is the lowest price, and it can host 3 websites, and we want to host one website. So all you have to do is just to click on get started. It depends on your budget, sure. So click on get started. So that also be added to the cart. So as you can see, domain name connection. Connect the name to your hosting plan. You are choosing a new domain. If you have existing one, you click here, but you are choosing new one. So you click on new one, and that new one is already in the cart. We already had that one before, so you had already in cart. Then as you can see, Locomotive the Hodge. Then you continue and add to cart. So let it load up. As you can see, this is the summary of what you want to buy. And if you have a promo code, you can just put it here, and if you do not have, you just click on confirm your order. So let it load up. Then after that, you'll be shown everything that you want to buy, and you have to put your payment method. You put your payment details to make payment. So and you click on pay now after you already put your details to make payment. So I won't be buying it, so we'll be using the one I already have. So after you already make the payment successfully, you go to your dashboard. Your domain and your hosting will be on dashboard. So this is my this is my dashboard, and I have my domain here, locomotive.com. And so to install WordPress on your website, you click on this manage. So click on this manage here. You click on this Stellar hosting, then you click on the manage. Then you go to cPanel. As you can see, go to cPanel. So let it load up. So redirecting to cPanel. And also the login details of your cPanel will be sent to you your registered email after I've already make payments finish. So now you see Softaculous app, but before we install WordPress, let's click on let's install the privacy stuff. This Namecheap SSL to secure our website. So this I don't have anything here is because I've already installed mine. So this is the installed one. So mine is already installed. So this is what we show if you first click your own, then you turn it on and you get it activated. So let's go back to cPanel. So to install WordPress, then you have to click on this Softaculous app installer. WordPress is the easiest website builder stuff. So this is the app we want to install. Click on it. So not to make the video long, so I'll be stopping the video here and create another one. So if you haven't subscribed, click the button and the bell to get notified whenever I drop it. So like also and share this to your friends.